The Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF has issued a warning to the public about the illegal use of military uniforms following a recent incident involving Blessed Geza, an expelled member of the ZANU-PF Central Committee. Geza appeared in a video circulating on social media calling for mass protest while dressed in military attire. Sanabena mashoko aiwa panguva ino arikuonekwa nevanhu kuti aiwa ZDF ichipindira panguva ino ichimisa vanhu vese vanopfeka this attire aiwa they are going to face action. Remember subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mzimu nyora wachiti. In a statement released on Friday, March 21, the ZDF reminded the public that wearing military uniforms is prohibited for civilians under the law. The statement emphasized that individuals found violating the rule will face legal action. The ZDF statement reads, misuse of military uniforms by civilians. The Zimbabwe Defense Forces have expressed concern over the ongoing misuse of military uniforms by members of the public. The public is reminded that according to the Defense Act, wearing military attire without authorization is a criminal offense, especially Section 99 of the Defense Act states that any person who, without permission, wears or uses any decoration or military uniform supplied to or authorized for use by a member of the Defense Forces or any decoration closely resembling such attire is guilty of an offense. Therefore, the public is urged to refrain from acquiring or wearing military clothing or in terms that resemble military uniforms. Those caught violating this law will be prosecuted. Thomas Kwanubuda Panguva ino anyora the ZDF. Zvatirikuona kuti so far the ZDF have just warned aiwa pamusoro pekupfeka the military attire, but the ZDF haina kupa mawarning pamusoro pekustopa maprotest. Panapa panguva ino aiwa tiona the ZDF yangopa stern warning pamusoro pekuabhuzwa kweattire yavo. Zvinozobuda pachena kuti aiwa the ZDF panapa haisati yataura pamusoro peinvolvement yana Geza ne the issue yekuti they want to ban or to stop maprotest. Chitiko chatiri kuona panguva ino, even the social media people they are chanting vachira masvika vachiti aiwa ZDF hainambomisa maprotest, hainambomisa maissues epfekwa kwemaataya. Zviri kuonekwa nevanhu panguva ino kuti aiwa nyange yamisa zvayo kune vakomana ve the ruling party aiwa ve the youth league vaisimboonekwa vakapfeka maataya. Hamati vacharamba vachimapfeka here. Tiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Muna comment section medu tiudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell.